Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so much. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if you like what you see, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome. It's lovely to talk to you again. I hope that you will leave me a comment so that we can continue the conversation after this video. Today I am going to unbox both my Boxycharm for February and my Macys Beauty Box for February as well. So I'm going to start with the Macys Beauty Box because I'm more excited about that, which sounds awful. But I saw some of the spoilers for Boxycharm and I'm kind of like, meh. So this is, you always get a little card that gives you the prices of the items as well as the information on them as well. This is $15 a month, and with the $15 a month you do get a $5 gift card that you can use in store. So it comes wrapped in pink all the time, and inside this month it says Macy's inside, which is new. This is kind of, I don't know if you can hear that, but it's a more crunchy bag than usual. And inside, the pink looks really different. Hang on, I'm going to change my settings really fast. Okay, that looks a little better, I think. So inside, it comes all wrapped up. I'm going to pull the first thing in here, which is from Philosophy. It is the Ultimate Miracle Worker Fix Eye Power Treatment Fill and Firm. And it feels so light. Inside, oh, that's cute. It's a little pink container. That is what it looks like. I have never tried a Philosophy eye cream before, so that will be interesting to try. The next thing in here is quite large. It is from Oprah Cosmetics, which when I was in Macy's last week, they said my Macy's is getting an Oprah Cosmetics counter there. They are kind of the, what do they call it? I can't remember what they call it, but they have like all of the brands like Buxom, and maybe they don't have Buxom. What do they have? They have Tarte and Too Faced and all of those. That's where it's going to go in. So this is a Confidence in a Cleanser, which I don't think I have. So it's a pretty good size. And oh, I forgot to say, the full size of this is $28 for 5 ounces. And then the eye cream is $68 for 0.5 ounces, which is like a fifth of, this is a fifth of that. This is 0.1. That's a lot of money for an eye cream. I don't spend that much money on eye creams, mostly because I get them in subscription boxes so much. The next thing in here is from Moly. It is the I'm Real Rose Sheet Mask, Vitalizing. I love Moly masks, so I'm very excited to get that. And those retail for $3, so not the greatest value for that. And then we have 2 more things in here. Oh, 3 more things. One was inside. So this one is a Fake Awake. It's from Tarte. I think this is an, oh, you would think that this would be the end with the thing. Nope. It is an eyeliner that you put inside to make your eyes look less tired. So that's interesting. I've never tried it, but I know a lot of people have tried it and liked it. So there's that, and that retails for $20 normally. And then the last thing, no, there's 2 things in here. Then we have Coach. This is Floral Eau de Parfum. We'll see what this one smells like. This is what the bottle actually looks like. And we'll spray it. Oh, that smells really good. Fruity and floral scents. Yeah, I really like that. I actually might put that on my wish list. So I really liked that scent. That's really nice. And that retails for the full size of 1 ounce is $58. 3 ounces, $98. So they're always expensive. And then the last thing in here is the Dior Lip Glow. It's a lip balm sample. And it's one of those blister packs that you get. You get 3 shades in here. You have pink, matte raspberry, and hollow pink. And it has a little brush with it as well. I will put this in my sample series because this is exactly what I started that series to start using them up. So those retail for $34 each. I don't think I would pay $34 for a lip balm, even if it is Dior. Like, that's a lot of money for a lip balm. So that is my Macy's box. Let's move on to Boxycharm. Boxycharm, I did already slit it, is $21 a month, and you get mostly full-size items. The first thing in here is something from CoverFX. It is a 20% off, so if you want to use it, it is FX Charm is this code, and that goes through the 15th of March, so that's actually not that much time. Then you have your little card that tells you the price of everything in here as well. We're gonna go with the first thing in here, which is a set of brushes right on top. These are from Crown Brush, and this is why I know what was in here, because they look just like the Wet n Wild brushes that everybody gets. Or not everybody gets, but that are in the drugstore. They are ergonomically correct, so they have that little divot there. There is 3 brushes. They retail for $29.99. So this one would be a good highlight brush, maybe a contour. You might be able to contour with it. Good eyeshadow brush. That's actually what I like. This looks almost like my large eyeshadow brush from Wet n Wild. And then you have this one, which is kind of I don't really like this shape when they're narrow and long. I'd rather them be fluffier or more densely packed, but I guess it's an all over. So that's the first thing in there for $29. I think that's a little more than I would pay. The next thing in here is what is from CoverFX. It is the Shimmervale. I don't know what shade it's in. It does not say, so we'll open it. Not for resale. That is what it looks like. It says it's perfect for eyelids, which makes me nervous because liquid glitter does not always do well with me. Like I'm going to swatch it here. That's really pretty. It burns. Like glitter a lot of the times burns when it's in a liquid form. I'm not really sure. I think it's the binding agent, but that's what it looks like. It's really shiny. It's pretty. I might try it and see if I have a reaction to it. Maybe test it down here first because that's more sensitive. That retails for, what does that retail for? $28. So I kind of see that as like the Stila glitter and glow things. That reminds me of that as well. The next thing in here is from Pure. I had it upside down. I don't even know if you can see that. There you go. This is a Exfo Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator. I don't really feel oh, there it's starting to go. It doesn't have very many exfoliants in it. Like I'm rubbing it on my skin and I'm not really feeling that many beads in there or sugars. But you know, I've almost used up my Tarte one, so that will be something that I can definitely use. The next thing in here is a black eyeliner. So this is definitely this is going in my pass on pile right away. This is from Vintage Cosmetics. Vintage. Ooh. Doesn't want to focus on it. And it retails for $21, which seems like a lot it's a pretty small, basic eye pencil. Then our last thing in here is from Oprah, and it is a palette and what looks to be a blush. So this is a pop-up palette, according to the little sheet. This bugs me. It should be even. Like if this is going to be all the way around, make it all the way around all the time. OCD. And then this is Blush Winter Rose Glow. That is the shade. We'll open it up. And this retails for $12 and the palette retails for $19, which is honestly more than I would pay. So this is I have powder everywhere on this. So I'm not even going to swatch the actual like pan. I'm just going to swatch all the dust that's inside. So that's what it looks like. We'll swatch it next to where the, which one? I don't want to get it where the lip scrub was. It's a kind of just your basic blushy color. Not really my favorite color. It's a little browner than I like, but I will put it in the palette and be on my way, I guess, with it. So all together, I'm looking at this palette and the blush. Actually, I guess I could put that in there. Like, meh, not my favorite. Brushes are okay, but I don't feel like these are the best brushes we've gotten. I feel like we've gotten much better brushes in the past. I will use the lip scrub, but my first impression of the lip scrub is not very favorable. Black eyeliner, like, I don't need another black eyeliner. I need one like I need to hold my head. And I know people love black eyeliners, but I feel like most people like liquid eyeliners or not a pencil eyeliner. And then the Shimmervale is very pretty. I mean, that is glowing on my hand. So the thing that I'm kind of nervous about using is the thing that I'm most excited about out of everything. Looking at this and then looking at, let's recap Macy's really fast. Excited about the mask. I will definitely use the mask. I love the mask. Lip balm. I know it's expensive, but I don't really care. I am very excited about the perfume. That's kind of like a bonus. You get 6 samples. I really like that scent. I am excited to try the cleanser and the eye cream. And then the Fake Awake, I'm kind of like meh. So I actually think there's more from Macy's that I'm excited to try. Let's see if I can hold everything. Than I was from Boxycharm, which is unusual because Boxycharm usually hits it out of the park, but the past couple of months I have not been as impressed. So let me know what your thoughts have been on Boxycharm and Macys Beauty Box. I also have my Glossy Box and Ipsy up already. I'm still waiting for Allure and Sephora to come in. I have shipping finally on them, so hopefully that will be up in this next week. But I really want to know what you guys got in your boxes, what you thought of these, if you get them, like what your thoughts were, if you've already tested out the things. And I can't wait to hear from you guys. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.